Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ClickUp spaces for project organization, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ClickUp account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the sidebar on the left. Locate the Spaces section. Click on Spaces to view your existing spaces or to create a new one. To create a new space, select the New Space button. Give your space a name that clearly reflects its purpose. You can also add a description to provide more context. Next, choose the color scheme for your space for easy identification. Decide whether you want your space to be public or private. If you choose public, anyone in your organization can access it. For a private space, only specified members will have access. Click the Create Space button to finalize your setup. Once the space is created, you can start adding folders. Folders help organize your projects within the space. To add a folder, click on the Add Folder button. Name your folder based on the specific project or category. Add any necessary descriptions to clarify the folder's purpose. Now, it's time to create lists within your newly added folder. Click the Add List button to create a new list. Name your list according to the tasks or items you plan to manage. You can also set a priority for the list, if applicable. Next, begin adding tasks to your list. Click the Add Task button to create specific tasks within the list. Fill in the task details, including task name, due date, and assignees. Assign tasks to team members to promote accountability. Utilize the features like checklists and attachments to enhance task management. If you have recurring tasks, set them up to streamline your workflow. After populating your space with tasks, familiarize yourself with the views available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.